Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your team on the FIFA mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the FIFA mobile game on your device. And when you play the game for the first time, you will be asked to choose a team. If you have already chosen a team, but you wish to change it later on within the game, then just tap on the club menu from the home page. Now from here, tap on the locker room option and then tap on a home team. You will now be able to choose from the various different teams as your home team. Just tap on the team that you wish to select and then tap on the select button. And now your team will be changed within the FIFA mobile game right away. You can also change various other information such as the number of your players as well as the kit that you are going to use. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your home team on the FIFA mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.